Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken and cashew stir fry. Hope you enjoy this one. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first we prepare the chicken. Using a sharp knife, cut the chicken breasts across the grain into thin slices. Place these chicken slices in a suitably sized bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix together to marinate the chicken. When this is done, place to one side while you get on to make the thickening agent. And to do this, just in a suitably sized bowl, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 2 tablespoons of water, and mix together. Don't worry, a full list of these ingredients are listed in the description box below. When this is done, you're ready to cook. Okay, bring a suitably sized frying pan to the heat, no oil, dry. Add the cashew nuts and toast until they start to take on some colour, as you see here. When this is done, simply remove and reserve. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan, and when it's hot, it's time to add in the chicken pieces. I think it's a bit too much chicken here, but according to my wife, they don't make chickens with 1.5 breasts. So, 2 breasts you got. Continue to fry the chicken pieces off till they cook through. And when the chicken is all cooked through, simply remove from the pan and reserve. When the chicken is all removed, it's time to add the garlic and ginger to the pan and fry off for a minute or two. When this is done, it's time to add in the mushrooms, onions and peppers, and again continue to fry for a minute or two. After a minute or two, when the peppers and onions are softened a bit, it's time to add the chicken and the cashew nuts back to the pan and thoroughly mix together. Lastly, add the prepared corn flour mixture and mix in well. You can also add a splash or two of water if you like a bit more sauce. Anyway, continue to cook for a minute or two till everything's piping hot, then serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hope you're staying safe in these trying times, and maybe we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.